It is therefore calls for effective leadership to assure coordination not only of the job or function, but also of the personal efforts. And last one, in conclusion, coordination takes place through communication between and among people, linking both organization functions and members of people. So, from the definition itself, it defines what the picture illustrates to you. Even in different agencies, could be in the medical part, for IT persons, in sports, either in another sports like this, or racing, in orchestra, and even in the offices. Even this in our work as social workers, coordinating is very important for in a group. We are interrelating each individual so that it will work or it will function as a whole. And also, through communication, coordination will take place between among any people or linking organization that functions, and it will be formed as a whole for coordinating efforts. So that's
So ako din mag-discuss the types of coordination. So accordingly, Davis and Riley identified two fundamental types of coordination within the organization. So first is coordinating of thoughts. Second is coordination of action. So coordination of thoughts, this has to do with the relationship between mental activities. So, kani siya na coordination is nag-align siya sa mental activities. So, and fostering shared understandings and goals, process, and action. So, this involves establishing common standards, terminologies, specification, and philosophies. So, for example, is using standard procedure or protocols like sa hospitals and clinics. Then, ang hospital and clinics, nag-use na sila details or protocol which is for treating specific conditions sa mga pasyente. So, and ensuring that ang healthcare professional is nag-align siya with these activities. So, regardless of individual expertise, so kanina standard procedure is makatabag niya siya para ma-minimize ang errors and para ma-ensure ang health na and patient na safety siya. So common measure terminology, specification, or philosophies are example of such basic aids to coordination of thoughts. So unity of thoughts is also a prerequisite for a meeting of minds since it is important in developing the daily moral. So coordination of action, this has to do primarily with establishing harmonious relationship between and among physical activities. So, what is siya sa physical activities? On the other hand, nag-emphasis ni Sia on the harmonious relationship. So, this involves optimizing the sequence and execution of tasks to ensure efficiency and effectively. So, proper training and clear instructions and well-defined workflows are essential for achieving coordination of action. So, the proper training and sequence of physical activities are very established. So, kanina siyang coordination is nag-ensure bitaw na mag-work towards para ma-achieve ang goals sa organization. That's all.
Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing the form of coordination. Coordination is key to ensuring that social welfare agencies function smoothly, avoiding duplication of effort and ensuring that every member of the team knows their role. There are two main forms of coordination that we use in administration. There are vertical or vertical coordination and horizontal or cross coordination. So, firstly, I will be discussing the vertical or vertical coordination. It refers to how tasks are delegated in a hierarchical Ways for effective coordination. Dali, para ma-achieve ka sa coordination sa isang agency na kapag-cooperative sa environment. Cooperation is the key to effective coordination. Among the ways by which this can be achieved are the following. First is the clear lines of authority and responsibility. Organizations need to establish clear lines of authority and responsibility to ensure that everyone knows who is responsible for what and who to go to with question or problems. This helps to prevent confusion or frustration and ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. The next is the periodic reports. Ineffective coordination is a documentation that is technically compiled and submitted on a regular basis, usually monthly or quarterly, para makahatag sila ng update o kung saan nilagan sila ang project ng bukas. Next is the effective communication system through use of, first is committees. Committees use an effective communication system to ensure that all members are on the same page and working towards a common goal. Sa committees is more kung sila ng mga leader. Sa isa kang grupo sila ang mag-spread ng mga kung sa inyo ay buhaton. A strong communication system is essential for the success of a committee as it helps to facilitate collaboration, decision-making, and coordination among members. The next is the staff meetings and conference. Isa is the effective communication. Like, na-problem sa project na ilang dibuhat, ninyo mag-meeting para ma-solve ninyo o share your ideas para ma-solve ninyo kung sa problems ng project. The next is a group decision-making technique. It is effective in communication system. Makatabang siya para ma-improve ang communication sa isang team or organization meeting of better decision-making process and outcomes. In addition to that, modern management believe on another concept that is coordination by reason and spirit and the organization goals and objectives and results.
God bless everyone. So, ako ay ang mag-discuss sa criteria of successful coordination. So, the first, ang criteria para sa successful coordination is first, it shouldn't be forced by leaders. Hindi ka na ng leader ang tutupan sa organization. So, instead, sa good leader is encourage niya ang teamwork within the group or the organization. So, para tanang ideas sa each group or another group is ma-appeal. So, if i-base na to sa atong course, which is the social worker, is ang leader is maoy. So, maoy social worker. So, diba, kita na organization is social work ang mag-decide. So, dapat kaya ang social worker is consider sa niya ang idea sa ubang members para mag-participate ang tanan. And then, the second criteria of successful coordination is it should happen at the right time and involves all parts of the organization. So, this means na dapat anang tao is mag-work together sila both with the same team, horizontally and with the higher or lower levels of staff, which is vertically ang social workers, kaya dapat mag-communicate sila both with people na kalagan nila or other professions and with their manager para ma-ensure nila na everything is balanced across the team. So, last criteria of successful coordination is avoiding the princess like girl para daw mag-work ang coordination within the group or organization is kinakanglan na sa communication ng organization or the group like dapat na sila communication o clear na goals. So, the more ng group na pabalutas kung sa role na sa group is the more na pabuhata sa atong part which is makatabang na siya para masubar ang problema sa group. And then one of the reasons that the mga cause of problems within the group is na wala sila communication. So, dapat yun na naatay communication with the group. But if wala, it will only worsen the situation that pinag-ifnahin problems and or the organization. So, dapat yun na naatay clear your goals within the and communicate that that's all.
Hello everyone, so in this video, we will discuss about teamwork. So according to the Wikipedia, teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in an effective and efficient way. O kung sa Bisaya pa, pag tinabangay sa mga tao, aron mo kung pinagmong sa trabaho. And then in administration, leadership and supportive teamwork can make a major difference in the service offered. So, in the process of administration daw, kung ang tao na tinabangin sila, let's say, na teamwork, so paspas nila mahuman o ma-deliver ang mga services na ilan na-offered, let's say, for example, sa ilang agency. So, there are 5 major processes in teamwork. So, number 1 is the communication. So, sa utabo ng communication, the exchanging of thoughts, ideas, and sharing of ideas and feelings, and as well as interacting and reflecting ideas. No? So, number 2 is the compromise. According sa Negros Administration, due to individual differences, it is expected that when 2 or more individuals communicate with each other, the next process is either to accept the plans or work out a compromise. So, given the due to the individual differences, so, isa sa itong mga principles sa individualization. So, kung pasabot, nailay pagkalahilayan na sa tao. So, administration class, it is the fact or it is the reality na maglahi-lahi ang idea bahid sa mga plano, bahid sa strategy. So if somehow daw may tabunan siya sa administration, hinahanglan na it's either daw ako mo ang idea sa usa ka tawo or else ikaw ang mag-adjust para wala ibubot sa administration sa inyo ang grupo. And number 3 is the cooperation. So ako lang cooperation daw. It is a process where 2 or more people are working together and helping each other. And one has to do its own work to contribute to agency. Ganyan na rin ang competition is the enemy of teamwork. Because pagka-isa, di ba, anak ko sa conflict theory na ang conflict lang is mahitabo siya kung na-ay competition in the one position. So if somehow, ang mga tao sa administrator sa group is nag-compete sila sa certain task or certain position, let's say for example, the executive director. So somehow ang mga members ay nag-compete sila para makuha ang position sa executive director. So there is a competition, and competition is the enemy of teamwork. Magbubut man ako sa ka-team. No? So dili nila ma-achieve ang ilang common goal. So, next one is the coordination. So, coordination requires the involvement of all staff members. Here, the strands of an agency are intertwined in organization and practice, so the agency strengths come to for affection and competition are recognized. So, coordination test, muna magkinabangan na ang tanan. Kagayan sa cooperation and coordination. Ang sa cooperation, that is 2 or more individual na kinabangan. For example, ang pagkawag tayo sa pilo ka tao. So, dapat may tumuro masabi mo yung isang ang tala or output. So, by that, pag-coopert, may tulong ka buong para may tumuro masabit nila ang lahat ng output. Pero sa coordination then, it is the whole. Tanan members sa certain organization ang magtulungan. No? So, in that way, minimize na ito ang coordination. Kung may coordination, there is no coordination. And the last one is the
plan, command, support, Besides, Philippines has communication skills to communication of more people who are communicating via plan, command, report, predict, cooperate, agency, those and treatment are to be used. So, ang visual communication practice para ito akan sa work people na mag-serve kailangan survey ng mga plan, command, report, prediction, kailangan para sa goal of objectives. And lastly, skate mode. Points out that communication is recovered and inclusion strictly important for being. Game daw is not speaking, reading, effective communication, ang ikatulaw at moral and morality. Una isang effective communication. Develop that services creating effective policies of making information. Ikatulaw, patient in communication. Kada klase ng communication na share information about figures, methods, stages, policies, and goals para sa lastly, moral and organization. Ayon na deliver ng staff, social services, overall goals, ito siya yung event of community para sa namin.
Blessed ones in my heart is about administrative communication. So, according to Peter, there are 6 pillars of administrative communication. So, number 1 is to modify what is to be done, how, and why. So, what is to be done can define the objective of the goal of the task. For example, what needs to be accomplished. And then how is the outside such a methodology or approach to use. For example, what steps are involved in achieving the goal. And why work is what is identifying a person or a term or a team responsible for carrying out the task. For example, who is accountable for his work. And number 2 is to ensure identity with agency or design. So, enforce identity is a paper that is pretty and containing a person or a group saying who they are, their values, needs, and characteristics. Agency is a paper that the ability to act independently and make choice. It implies having control over one's actions and decisions. And the purpose is a paper that has a specific goal or objective that individual or a group wants to be achieved. And number 3, the transmit problems, suggestions, and ideas. So, this is transmit is the implies the deliberate act of sending or passing information from one point to another. For example, verbal communication, speaking, presenting, or discussing. There is a problem. There are challenges, difficult, or issues that need to be addressed. And suggestions, there are purpose solutions or recommendation for improvement. And the idea, there are thoughts, concepts, proposals that can be explored or implemented. Then the number 4, to report progress. So report implies a formal or informal communication that provides information about the progress. It can be verbal, it can be done by verbally, in writing, or through a presentation. Then progress is triggers to advancement or development made toward completion of a task or the achieving of the goal. Then number 5 is promote participation. So to promote is the taking active step to encourage and facilitate participation. Then ang participation is a paper as active involvement of individual or group in the process. Then last is to promote social interface education, treatment, or efforts of individual persons. Thank you.
We are going to discuss about the methods of deliberate communication. There are several ways of deliberate communication. Whatever way it may be will depend on the urgency of the message. And some of the way are, this first one is telephone. Telephone, this is the quickest way where feedback is immediate and include mobile phone and text. For example, for example, if I emergency, then you can reach the person to call. Pwede niyo siya matawagan if nasa sa layo para ipahibalo sa iya kung unsay problema. Then, number 2 is face-to-face. This is another quick way that facilities is available and your feedback is also immediate. For example, as ani, di ba kayo sa mga media kay na siya sa nag-i-send bitaw video discussion di ba kay kita kay mas prefer na to ang face-to-face discussion kaysa sa mga video discussion kay pwede na maka-ask niya sa question na madala na subject. First is meeting. Pwede meeting kay sabot-sabot naman dun ni sa ato kabalo na sa unsay na asa meeting. Then reports is this is one way by which the administrator is informed of the progress of the work of the staff in private organization. The report is means by which board members are informed by the meeting. The feedback may be slow but a large amount of information is given. Reports are designated to report and convey information to the reader which can be used both in paper. 6 letters. This is usually done where we send message outside of the ones as they use it. The feedback may be slow but a large amount of information is given. Data is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper, usually sent in via email or post. This is used for internal non-urgent communication and usually feedback is usually also slow. Di ba kay, for example, di ba kay sa admin na so mga pwede, muhatag silang memorandum kay very slow bitaw na ay holiday. Makahatag, for example, sa holiday karon din, makasend sila information na ugma na nila masend. Email, Facebook, Twitter, etc. For example, ani is, di ba kasi sir, nag-post niya karon of information para bitaw sa atong intramural na para ma-inform ta mga estudyante nga sa ibuhatan nato sa atong entrance next week. Information conference. In this information conference is a telephone contact which can be selected in connection with a request for a higher level review. Newsletter is a written publication that provide regular communication to subscribe typically via email. Bulletin board. Ang bulletin board is, for example, kay di ba ang naadala sa ubos na to kay dira di papilita atong schedule for exam. Kanang example sa atong sa bulletin board pero para ma-inform ta kung sa schedule nato sa atong exam. 12 is the suggestion box. Promotes open communication by providing a channel or employees to search their thoughts and idea with management. The last one is the grapevine. The grapevine is other terms of gossip. This grapevine is spreading a false statement to people bitaw ang spread ng false information bitaw dili siya tinuod nga spread din. And that's all for today.
So, for the contribution of communication. So, communication is meant to facilitate something and for it to be effective. Certain criteria must be considered according to Richter. They are as follows. So, for the number 1, criteria of effective communication. So, for the number 1, The purpose of the communication must be clear and must understood by the person making it and by the person receiving it. So it means that the message must be easy to understand sa both na sender o sa receiver. So number 2 is both spoken and written material must be as clear as possible and subject to one and only one interpretation. So what is said or written must be easy to understand so that the receiver must understand what the sender wants to kung sa iya ang quote pasabot ang information. So for the number 3, effective communication is a series of consistent acts. In other words, subsequent communication are consistently related through earlier communication and avoid hazard nullification. So, ang communication daw should build on previous conversation and each message should relate to last one word to avoid kanang confusion sa sender o sa receiver. So, for the number 4, good communication is adequate to accomplish its purpose. It is neither too much nor too little. It has a sharp focus and is selective as to content. The message should be just right, not dili siya taas, and naka-focus ra po siya sa mga important nga mga information kay para kanang dili ra kaingon nga ang receiver is dili siya kanang ma-confuse kung sa tumo ana nga information. So really in that task is given to the timing and point of issue and the readiness on the part of the recipient. So ang communication should be ang communication dapat kanang imo siya ihatag at a timing point of issue. Right time, matag siya right time, and in a way that person is kanang ma-understand yun niya o unsay kanang tumong ana nga information. So number 6, in good communication, thought is given to the channels to be utilized and to the distribution